Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, students, parents, and friends. Welcome to the commencement exercises of Asian Institute of Computer Studies, Tarlac. Let us now welcome the candidates for graduation from the senior high school strands. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the AICS faculty members. Let us also welcome the AICS administrative officers and the AICS Board of Directors. Once again, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, students, parents, and friends. Welcome to the commencement exercises of Asian Institute of Computer Studies, Tarlac. After 28 years of dedicated service, AICS continues to stand solid to its goal to provide quality education to the Filipino youth and help build a society of learners ready to pursue higher learning and be proficient workers and experts. AICS has once again produced another promising batch of graduates this year, ready to set into action the knowledge, the skills, and the values that they have learned to become agents of hope and change for the country and for the world. This is Ann Asis Carrillo, together with my husband, Mr. Alvin Carrillo. We are your masters of ceremonies for today. May we request everybody to stand for the entrance of colors. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem, Ms. Franz Sumang will be conducting. Ms. Raquel Ordanes will be leading the opening prayer. Please remain standing.
Heavenly Father, in this moment of reflection and celebration, we come before you with hearts full of gratitude. We acknowledge your guidance and grace that have brought our graduates to this significant milestone. As they stand on the threshold of new beginnings, we humbly seek your continued presence in their lives. Bestow upon them the wisdom to navigate the complexities of the world, the fortitude to overcome adversity, and the compassion to serve others selflessly. Lord, grant them the strength to uphold integrity and the courage to pursue righteousness. May they be ever mindful of their responsibilities and use their gift for the betterment of humanity. Instill in them a deep sense of purpose and a relentless pursuit of truth and justice. We lift to you the families, mentors, and friends who have nurtured and supported our graduates. Bless them abundantly for their unwavering love and dedication. As we celebrate this occasion, we recognize that all achievements are possible through your divine grace. Guide our graduates as they embark on their new journeys, and may they always find solace and strength in your unfailing love. In your holy name we pray, amen.
Thank you. You may now be seated. An inspirational speech from an honorable speaker is always an essential part of any commencement exercise. She is supposed to convey words and ideas of encouragement and motivation. To introduce our honorable guest speaker, let us call on AICS Corporate Secretary, Mr. Elmer Hernandez.
Our commencement speaker for this afternoon is a prominent Filipino educator and leader in the field of education. She was born in Concepcion, Tarlac. She has dedicated her career to advancing educational excellence and community service. Her educational journey commenced at the San Bartolome Elementary School and continued at B.S. Aquino National School, where she laid the foundation for her future academic pursuits. She earned her bachelor's degree in elementary education from Tarlac State University, graduating magna cum laude in 2003. Driven by the passion for learning and leadership, she pursued advanced studies, completing a Master of Education, majoring in Reading, Language, and Literature at the University of St. La Salle, Bacolod, followed by a Doctor of Philosophy in Educational Leadership from the same institution. With over 2 decades of experience in the Department of Education, she has held various pivotal roles, including Teacher 1 at Concepcion West Elementary School. She has steadily progressed through the ranks, assuming positions such as Education Program Specialist 2, and ultimately Senior Education Program Specialist at the Department of Education, Tarlac City Schools Division. As a speaker for our graduation, she brings not only the wealth of academic achievements and professional experience, but also a deep-seated commitment to the advancement of education and the empowerment of future generations. Her journey is a testament of the transformative power of education and leadership in shaping communities and nations. Join me in welcoming our commencement speaker, Dr. Sunshine C. Castro.
You may now take your seat. allow me to extend my felicitation to all our school admin, our AIC Board of Directors. Let me begin with Ma'am Teresita S. Asis, Chairman of the Board, Antonio S. Asis, the President, Ricardo T. Asis, our Vice President, Mr. Elmer F. Hernandez, our Corporate Secretary, Adeline Marie, our Treasurer and VP for Operation. Adeline Marie Asis Serafin. Am I right? And to you, my very dear graduates, at sa atin pong mga magulang, nasan po yung ating mga magulang? Ayan. Tayo po kayo. I think more than anyone else, today is a remarkable day, not just for you graduates, but more so to our dear parents. Palakpakan po natin sila. Congratulations po. Ang araw na ito ay hindi lamang para sa ating mga anak, kundi para din sa inyo. Nagbunga yung ating pagsisikap na maitawid ang kanilang pag-aaral sa kabila ng mga pagsubok na binibigay sa atin ng buhay. Again, congratulations po. Pwede na po tayong maupo. What generous introduction. Marami pong salamat. I am an educator since I knew I will become an educator since I was 7. 7 taong gulang pa lang ako, alam ko na ako ay magiging guro someday. At kayo mga anak, sana kung nasaan kayo ngayon, kung ano man ang narating nyo na ngayon, alam nyo na sa sarili nyo kung saan kayo patungo. Ang pangarap ay isang bagay na tayo lang ang nakakaalam. Ito ay nangangailangan ng tatag, talino, sipag, tiyaga at higit sa lahat, pananalig sa Diyos. Lahat ng inyong hangarin sa buhay ay inyong makakamit kapag ang inilagay nyo sa inyong puso ay ang ating Panginoon. Today's theme is about empowering youth for a stronger Philippines. Today, we are gathered here with a common goal to envision and build a stronger Philippines. As we embark on this journey, we must recognize that the key to our nation's future lies in the hands of our youth. Di nga ba't sinabi ni Gat Jose Rizal na ang kabataan ay siyang pag-asa ng ating bayan? Totoo pa ba kaya ito sa panahon ngayon? Can I hear an answer? Mahina. Mahina ulit. Yes, no? When you say yes, kailangan may conviction. Kayo ang unang magtitiwala sa sarili ninyong kakayahan. Walang gagawa nun para sa inyo. Your parents, your guardians will be there with you to support you. Pero kayo ang tanging may hawak kung saan talaga kayo patungo para makarating kayo sa inyong mga kanya-kanyang pangarap. Some of you will become future engineers, teachers, nurses, doctors. But at the end of the day, saan man kayo dalhin ng inyong pangarap, huwag nyo sanang kakalimutang balikan ang mga alaala, ang mga naituro ng ating mahal na paaralan. At huwag natin ding kalilimutan ang ating mga mahal na guro. Nasaan po yung mga teachers natin? Mukhang wala na sila, Miss Divine. Ayan, tayo po kayo. Kasi po kayo ang mga nagsilbing pangalawang magulang ng mga batang ito para po sila ay maging successful at makamit nila yung minimithi nilang tagumpay sa araw na ito. What about a big round of applause for our teachers? Salamat po sa inyong pagpapagal, pagtsatsaga sa mga batang ito. Malay niyo po, ang isa dito ay ang ating future DepEd Secretary. Tama ba? Mukhang walang naniniwala, Madam President. Yes, no? Who would have thought that one day, dito manggagaling ang presidente ng Pilipinas, ang mayor ng Tarlac City, o ang barangay kapitan. Tama ba? Kayo ba'y hindi nangangarap ng ganon? Mukhang hindi. Huh? Or perhaps, hindi pa ninyo nadidiscover yon sa inyong mga sarili. It's a long journey ahead. There are people that will come into your life na magsisilbi yung inspirasyon, ang iba ay leksyon. Para kayo ay patuloy, naging matibay, at patuloy na gabayan ng ating Panginoon sa kung anong daan man ang gusto nyong tahakin. My dear graduates, wag lang nating kalilimutan na maging mabuting tao. Mabuti kahit ang ilan ay hindi. Choose to be kind and to be good all the time. If there is one specific lesson I would always give to my students before when I was still teaching in the elementary, yun lagi. Choose to be kind. Piliin nating maging mabuti. Kasi sa pagiging mabuti, si God ang magbe-bless sa atin ng mga bagay na minimithi natin. And in choosing to be kind, ginagawa din natin yung utos ng Diyos na mahalin natin ang ating kapwa. Mabuti man sila o hindi. And God will give you everything. Siya lang ang nakakaalam kung ano yung destined para sa ating lahat. But if you put Him in the center of your life, everything will fall into places. Sana sa batch na ito manggaling ang susunod na presidente ng Pilipinas. Ngumiti sila. That's true. Tignan niyo yung mga politicians natin ngayon. Mga sikat na doktor, mga supervisors from the Department of Education, president and CEOs of different companies. Hindi ba once upon a time naging kindergarten din sila? Naging elementary din sila? So, I believe, if you believe in yourself, malayo yung mararating nyo. At sa inyong mga kamay, nakasalalay ang kinabukasan ng bansang Pilipinas. Hindi sa iisang kamay, kundi sa ating lahat. And I hope whatever you learn from your senior high school will be your guiding light for you to reach your aspirations and dreams. Lahat ay nangangarap ng mabuting kinabukasan. Tama? Para kanino natin ginagawa ang lahat ng ito? Okay? Sa pamilya, sa magulang. Narinig niyo po? Sana po sila rin ang maging inspirasyon natin para patuloy natin silang igapang sa kabila ng kahirapan. Sapagkat malay po natin sa kanilang mga kamay na kasalalay, hindi lamang ang future ng inyong family, but the future, the very future of this nation. Kayo ay maswerte because you were given the chance to have an education. Huwag nyo sana itong sayangin. Bitbitin nyo ito patungo sa mas ikauunlad ng inyong buhay, ng ating komunidad, and eventually, ng buong Pilipinas. Again, tanggapin ninyo ang aking pagbati mula sa aking puso from our Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Irene P. Tamayo. Ipinapaabot niya ang maluwalhating pagbati sa inyong lahat sa inyong pagtatapos. Again, good afternoon and mabuhay sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very much, Dr. Sunshine Castro, PhD, our guest speaker for today, for joining us, for sharing a bit of sunshine to today's ceremony. Thank you very much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the batch 2024 candidates of graduates for Asian Institute of Computer Studies, Tarlac. To present the candidates for graduation for the Information and Communications Technology strand, let us call on AICS Central Area 1 Manager, Mrs. Rosalita Olivo.
President, Mr. Anthony Assis, I have the honor to present to you the 26 candidates for graduation for the Information and Communication Technology strand.
To present the candidates for graduation of the Accountancy, Business, and Management strand, let us call on Central Area 2 Manager, Mr. Albert Guevara.
President, Mr. Anthony Assis, I have the honor to present to you the 13 candidates for graduation for the Accountancy, Business, and Management strand.
And to present the candidates for graduation of the General Academic strand, let us call on AICS Area Manager and BESD Head, Mr. Alvin George Carrillo.
President, Mr. Anthony Assis. Sir, I have the honor to present to you the 7 candidates for graduation from the General Academic strand.
Mr. Anthony Assis, AICS President, will now confer the graduates.
Parents, future leaders, by the virtue of the power vested upon me by the Director of the Department of Education, I hereby confer you as graduates of the Information and Communication Technology strand, Accountancy, Business and Management strand, and General Academic strand, with all the rights, honors, and privileges appertaining thereunto. Congratulations, you are now full-fledged graduates of our senior high program. You may now move your tussle to the right.
Thank you very much, Mr. Assis. Now, dear students, we've finally reached the moment you have all been waiting for, to march up the stage and present your diplomas. We begin with the distribution of diplomas for the graduates from the Information and Communications Technology strand.
Ladies and gentlemen, our graduates from the Information and Communications Technology strand. Aguas Bien Lloyd J. Balundo Ben. Buwan RCS. Canlas Heart N. Chan Karchon N. Cuino Kurt Alec B. De la Cruz John Michael D. Dizon Annalisa N. Dugay Mary Grace A. Dulce Joshua Vincent B. Gazmin Rosaline B. Gozom Isaiah Iverson M. Lagunero Jerome T. Malyari Carlo D. Manalang Ronald D. Mariano Ira May A. Mariano Reina Kathleen A. Melegrito Lucky T. Perdaño Yance Siguel M. Romero Desiree G. Sabat AJ Kristan S. Santos Joshua N. Sultan Aljon L. Tadaya Maria Chris W. Taniedo Mark Andre Q. And Wahe Jara S.
Ladies and gentlemen, our graduates from the Information and Communications Technology strand, congratulations. We now move on to the presentation of diplomas from the graduates of the Accountancy, Business, and Management strand.
Kapulong Renz Marvin G. Castro Jovenel D. David Pauline C. Dupiag Elaine Faith G. Esben Christian F. Gabriel Dan Rio U. Gonzalez Catherine Q. Gutierrez Jenny May M. Pamor Angelo F. Ramos Alpi M. Rocha Elizabeth M. Takadino Mabel A. And Valentin Alaya R.
Ladies and gentlemen, our graduates from the Accountancy, Business, and Management strand. Once again, congratulations, graduates. We now present to you our graduates from the General Academic strand.
Kabilin Mary Rose C. De la Cruz John Gabriel D. Francia Mary Grace Nicole M. Gimarangan Grace Ann G. Medrano May R. Pangilinan Casey May M. And Serrano Christine N.
Ladies and gentlemen, our awardees from the our graduates rather, from the General Academic strand. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, we now give recognition to all our awardees. We would like to tell our awardees to kindly bring your parents with you when you come up the stage. At sa ating mga magulang, wag po nating kalimutang ngumiti. To all our awardees who will be receiving medals, you may remove your caps. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we recognize our awardees.
Taniedo Mark Andre Q, DepEd awardee with highest honors. Ikes awardee with highest honors. And with a special award for science, mathematics, and animation. Francia Mary Grace Nicole M, DepEd awardee with highest honors. Ikes awardee with high honors. And a special award for communication arts. Gozum Isaiah Iverson M, DepEd awardee with highest honors. And leadership awardee and service awardee. Rocha Elizabeth M, DepEd awardee with highest honors. Ikes awardee with high honors. And social science awardee. Serrano Christine N, DepEd awardee with highest honors. Ikes awardee with high honors. Balondo Ben, DepEd awardee with high honors, and athletics awardee. Kapulong Renz Marvin G., DepEd awardee with high honors. Kuino Kurt Alec B., DepEd awardee with high honors. David Pauline C., DepEd awardee with high honors. De la Cruz John Gabriel D., DepEd awardee with high honors. De la Cruz John Michael D., DepEd awardee with high honors. Dulce Joshua Vincent B., DepEd awardee with high honors and a special award in programming. Dupiag Elaine Faith G., DepEd awardee with high honors. Gazmin Rosalind B., DepEd awardee with high honors. Gonzalez Catherine Q., DepEd awardee with high honors. Gutierrez Jenny May M., DepEd awardee with high honors. Malyari Carlo D., DepEd awardee with high honors. Mariano Reyna Kathleen A., DepEd awardee with high honors. Melegrito Lucky T., DepEd awardee with high honors and a service awardee. Pamor Angelo F., DepEd awardee with high honors and Ikes awardee with high honors. Perdanyo Yancy Ziguel M., DepEd awardee with high honors. Takadino Maybell A., DepEd awardee with high honors. Tadaya Maria Chris W., DepEd awardee with high honors. Aguas Vien Lloyd J., DepEd awardee with honors. Buwan RCS, DepEd awardee with honors. Kabilin Mary Rose C., DepEd awardee with honors. Canlas Hart N., DepEd awardee with honors. Castro Juvenel D., DepEd awardee with honors. Chan Karchun N., DepEd awardee with honors. Dizon Annalisa N., DepEd awardee with honors. Dugay Mary Grace A., DepEd awardee with honors. Esben Krisha Ann F., DepEd awardee with honors. Gabriel Dan Ryu Yu, DepEd awardee with honors. Mariano Ira May A., DepEd awardee with honors. Medrano May R., DepEd awardee with honors. Ramos Alfie M., DepEd awardee with honors. Romero Desiree G., DepEd awardee with honors. Sabat A.J. Kristan S., DepEd awardee with honors. Santos Joshua M., DepEd awardee with honors. Sultan Aljon L., DepEd awardee with honors. Valentin Aliyah R., DepEd awardee with honors. We also have an award for the best thesis. Taniedo Mark Andre Q., Sultan Aljon L., Aguas Vien Lloyd J., Balondo Ben, Lagunero Jerome T., Manalang Ronald D., Tadaya Maria Chris W. for the best thesis.
Congratulations to all our awardees. You have brought honor to your parents, your families, and Asian Institute of Computer Studies is very proud of your accomplishments. Palakpak naman tayo. Congrats, guys. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us call on Mr. Mark Andre Taniedo. He will be delivering the note of thanks.
To my fellow graduates, parents, mentors, board of directors, and also to our president, Mr. Anthony S. Asis, to our chairman of the board, Mr. Sita S. Asis, and to our honorable guest speaker, Dr. Sunshine Castro. I am honored to speak to you on this very important day. Today, our graduation day, July 19, 2024. We stand as a legacy equipped with knowledge, skills, and values we acquired from this school. Walking tall with our banners raised high. I stand on behalf of my fellow graduates to express our sincerest gratitude. First, to my parents, thank you, Mom and Dad, for the undying love and support that you've shown me. A million words would be too short to thank you for all your sacrifices. I am very thankful for having you as my parents. You never failed to cheer me up. And I know that raising a child and sustain all his needs is not so easy. But you made it. You really work hard for us, and now I am here. I am now someone you can be proud of. And second, to our instructors, to Engineer Nool, to Ma'am Sumang, and also to Ma'am Ordanes. We all know that in the past years, you have kept teaching and understanding us, even if we are rowdy because of our attitude. Your patience and devotion in teaching transform us to become effective and efficient in our fields. We are very grateful and thankful to all faculty members. Again, thank you for giving us great knowledge that we can use in the future. And third, to my fellow graduates, I know that all of us keep on struggling in the past years when we are at our campus. We work all as a team to survive on numerous formulas, computations, and activities that give us annoyance. But all of these are just trials that lead us to our great future. The dreams that we made together united us as one. Thank you for all memories, laughter, tears and bad times, problems, sleepless nights for thesis and projects, gigs that we made outside the campus. And lastly, all the naughtiness and madness that we shared. All of these are hard to forget and will remain in me. Thank you very much, my comrades. To our alma mater, Asian Institute of Computer Studies Tarlac, believes in the power of Almighty God. With His power and great glory, we were formed and prepared to claim our destiny. Again, to my fellow graduates, today, we have achieved something. Soon, we will be starting at those entry-level jobs that will be the beginning of our careers. Let us have a clear vision of our future. I have not the slightest doubt that we will be successful. Be proud and stand tall. This is not the end. Rather, it is just the start of our new beginning. Congratulations. God bless us all.
Thank you, Mr. Tañedo. Ms. Mary Grace Nicole M. Francia will be leading the Pledge of Loyalty. Please stand.
Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Mary Grace Nicole Francia, an alumnus of the Asian Institute of Computer Studies, do hereby solemnly pledge to remain loyal to my alma mater, to uphold the noble ideas and principles for which it stands. I will always strive to lead an honest and moral life, and use fully and intelligently the knowledge and skills I have acquired in the advancement of science and technology, making myself worthy of my God, my family, my country, my family, and myself.
Thank you, Ms. Francia. Graduates, are you ready for the next part of the program? Sure? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, medyo naiiba po ito sa usual programming natin. Because our batch from AICS Tarlac has requested that they would perform their own batch song. Tama po ba, Tarlac? Okay. So, kailangan pakita natin sa kanila ang ating talent. So, tatanungin ko po ulit kayo, AICS Tarlac, are you ready? Yes! Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, magpa-perform po sila ng kanilang batch song. Palakpakan naman natin sila. All right, today is a good day for AICS Tarlac and of course Tarlac itself, no? Speaking of Tarlac, ladies and gentlemen, alam nyo po ba, ang AICS Tarlac po ang nag-pioneer ng choreography kada graduation. Sinimulan po nila yan last year on this same venue. No? So, kailangan AICS Tarlac students, mas masigla, mas masaya, yung susunod. Okay ba? Maaasahan ko ba kayo dyan? Yes? Yon. Okay. Kung kanina po ay may song and dance number, ganun pa rin naman po. Pero this time, let's make it official. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now listen to our graduates as they sing this year's graduation song.
Shaking as the crowd and stands when
Very, very beautiful singing right there, AICS Tarlac. Thank you very much. Alam niyo po, sa AICS lang meron yan. Academically gifted na mga graduates. Plus, they are also singing experts. Yes? Yes. Naiya pa kayo eh. Palakpakan niyo sir. Okay, graduates. This time, with the same energy, with the same enthusiasm, I want that same energy and enthusiasm for the next song we're going to sing, okay? Wow, 3 songs today. But this time, I would like to ask everybody to please stand, lahat po tayo tumayo, as we sing the AICS hymn. Thank you very much for that. You may be seated for a while. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our ceremony has finally come to an end. After years of dedicated study, you all have finally made it. You've all dreamed of this accomplishment. Now, graduates, you're here. The dream is fulfilled, and you have taken a very big step towards reaching that even bigger dream, to pursue higher learning, to land an important job, to make a difference. Whatever your goal is, reach for it. Don't be afraid to dream more, aim higher, and work harder. You hold that brighter promise. Believe, and you will make that big difference. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe our graduates deserve a big round of applause. But of course, let's also acknowledge the people behind your success, your parents, your families, and relatives who have worked so hard to provide for your education, to give you all the support and faith you needed, all because they love you. So they deserve as much recognition. A round of applause for them, please. Quoting the famous inventor Thomas Edison, if you did all the things you are capable of, you would literally astound yourself. So dear graduates, within each and every one of you lies the promise of a better and a brighter future. All you need is faith in yourselves. Tiwala sa sarili. Believe that you are capable of reaching for your dreams. So go on, believe, work hard, and achieve. Do the things you are capable of and see the astounding difference that you can make. Asian Institute of Computer Studies, the Board of Directors, the administration, and the faculty, salute your accomplishments. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2024 graduates of Asian Institute of Computer Studies, Tarlac. Now everybody, please stand for the exit of colors. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of our guest, Dr. Sunshine Castro, PhD, the AICS Board of Directors, Administrative Officers, faculty, and staff, this has been Ann Asis Carrillo, together with Mr. Alvin Carrillo. We are your masters of ceremonies today. Once again, thank you guys for joining the ceremony. Congratulations, graduates, and God bless us all.